Final year project title is Design and Validation of Low Cost Formula Type Car, presented by Prashant Singh, Swapnil Gupta, Pawan Gupta. The objective of our title is to conceptualize, design, and validate a race type prototype of a car, which is in which we are using everything same as the standard car, but the cost of the car will be as low as possible. We are using the standard accessories like tires, suspension, steering of Maruti Alto 800. After the designing part get over, we have used according to our dimension, and we have done the inventory work, and we have compared it with the standard parts, and we have used in a vehicle.
So the material we use is the ASTM A106B. It is a type of mild steel material. We have used the pipe. So in the table, as you can see, the carbon content is 0.3%, the magnesium is 1.5%, sulfur is 0.05, and phosphorus is 0.05. So the tensile strength of material is 410 megapascal and yield strength is 240 megapascal. On the basis of which we have designed this as our ProE model. This is our ProE model what we have designed. So we have just used the element type as mild steel, and we have designed it fully in the ProE by giving certain some standard dimension. Now after designing the model in ProE, we have imported this model into the ANSYS, and from where we got some deflection and stress value by applying some specific load. So the load what we have applied is 6000 kilonewton, and after applying the 6000 kilonewton, we have got some of the impact. This is the image of a frontal impact. So the lines, the green lines is showing that the impact applied on the front portion. The second figure shows the impact applied on the rear portion. So these are the lines which will be showing as a deflection or deformation of the roll cage or chassis when we applied a load of 6000 kilonewton. And third comes the side impact. So these light green lines showing the deformation in the side portion of the vehicle. And so this is our final model of the car. After getting all the stress and deflection value, we have designed our car in this way. So we tried to say that our car is totally safe, and after designing the full model of the car, we have started the validation and fabrication of the car. This skeleton of the body we have designed. Firstly, we have designed the software, then we have fabricated it. It is the fabrication part what you are seeing right now. But before the fabrication of the car, we have designed it in ProE. ProE is the 3D software in which we have made the full designing of this roll gauge. This is the main part, and then we have validated it out. In the sense, we have after designing it in ProE, we have imported this model to ANSYS, and after giving a certain load in the ANSYS, we have got some value of deflection of stress and stress from the frontal impact, from the side impact, and from the rear impact. Okay, if after giving the load, if the vehicle will collide from the side front, the deformation will come into these two portions, here and here. And if the vehicle will collide from the side, the deformation will be there in these two joints. And if the vehicle will collide from the rear, the deformation will come at the back portion, not at the engine compartment. So we mean to say that our engine compartment and our passenger compartment is totally safe. We have designed it like this in the software. Simple. The suspension. These are the two-wheeler suspension, that is of Yamaha suspension. First, we have designed its this clamps in the 3D software. Then we have welded it out over here, and then we have assembled the suspension. All the designing part, all the design, how much distance from the front, how much distance from the center, we have done it already in the softwares. Okay, then finally we have fixed it out. These clamps and these bushes we have designed in the softwares, and then we have made according to a dimension of the software, and then we have welded it out. Similarly, we have designed these clamps also. This clamp, you can see this U clamp, we have firstly designed it. L clamp, firstly we have designed it, and then we have according to dimension we have made it, and then we have fabricated it out. And similarly, this steering, as you can see, this steering is a rack and pinion type steering, and what we have presented in our design report. And rack and pinion type steering in the sense it is, and the company of which we are using it is of Tata Nano. Okay, this is also made from same material, whatever the standard material they are using, and the assembly is the rack and pinion type assembly. Same as the knuckle, this clamp you can see, from which we have adjusted our A-arm. We have fixed our A-arm is there, then ball joint is there, then our clamps is there. All the things, firstly arrangement we have designed in softwares, and then we have fixed it out in reality.
Good afternoon, my name is Prashant Singh, and myself is the member of the Supra team, and Supra is the event in which we are going to participate with this vehicle. With this vehicle, and this is the project of the design and the validation of the low-cost format type car. And what you are seeing, this is the roll cage of our vehicle, and the roll cage material is the mild steel. And mild steel, and for this designing purpose, we are using Rohi software, and analysis we are done in the ANSYS software. And as you are seeing that this is the front portion is almost completed by designing the suspensions, the AR type suspensions. We have brought the tires and brakes and everything. And this is the steering column and steering shaft, and this is the steering column. The back portion is left, and in our project, the design and the validation, this is the project, not the full fabrication. So in this design and validation, we have done some designing thing in Rohi software and ANSYS software. So, how is that?